Hello, you probably noticed that last few videos about my new workshop was a bit lower quality. That's because of low light, since only light source here is that 12-watt LED light bulb. I tried to help with this video light, but doesn't help much, so today I fixed that problem with this solution. It's REFLECTA Professional Industrial LED light, so don't search for them in local shop. REFLECTA is another Slovenian brand we can be proud of. They produce different lights, mostly for industry uses, but they constantly develop new types of light for different tough environments. Temporarily they work on new fancy look lights for office use. I hear for that brand on my full-time job about 10 years ago, when they developed their first light, this time using T5 fluo bulb. We were changing all lighting system in an entire factory, and investment was paid off in a single year, just with energy saving. Many well-known big brands around the world uses their lights, because bigger factory mean bigger saving. Let's unbox and check it a bit closer. I got here two lights from REFLECTA Pro line, which is one of their best products with extremely luminous efficiency, which is up to 176 lumen per watt. Patented optics technology which can minimal light loss, offer a soft light and make no zebra effect. There are many subtypes of Pro version, with different angle of beam for different mounting height. There are two dimensions depending on light power. And we also can choose between 4 types of glass. We can also choose between 4000 or 5000 Kelvin LED version and LED driver, which can be normal or the one with dolly function for smart lighting. I got here two different lights. One is Pro with special OptiWhite tempered glass, and the other is Pro OP version with special opal tempered glass for more diffused light. Both is 50 watt wide beam, got 5000 kelvins and driver with dolly function. As we see, they're nicely protected in a cardboard on each end, where we also find entire mounting material. Quality is felt on first touch, but let's just see it a bit closer. I also open the light and check inside. I would love to show you what makes this light better than competition, but inside of that light are hidden years of developments and lot of knowledge. REFLECTA already got some attempt of stealing the patent, so let the inside details stay secret. All I say is that light is made complete out of metal. The only plastic or rubber parts are seal, which is on every single screw, since light is IP66 protected. Cable insulation and rubber rings, which is attached on every hole where the cable go through, so vibration won't damage the cables. All the screws inserts are made out of stainless steel. Housing is made out of anodized aluminium with glued 1 of 4 version of 4mm tempered glass. Shortly, inside is full of aluminium, which make light cool even in long term of use. Cool light mean longer lifetime of components. Okay, let's try to wire it up and turn on the light. There are 5 wires out of light. 3 is for the power supply, light, neutral and ground, and the other 2 is for dolly. But to make light work, we only need to connect neutral and line over the switch, and the light work with its full power, on or off. Now let's check the dolly wires. Dolly mean digital addressing lighting interface. There are a bunch of dolly microcontrollers on the market, and also REFLECTA got its own, actually 3 versions of them, which called D-Light Intelligent System. It controls the lighting system with many sensors connected to, so it controls each light and provides us optimal and constantly lighting with biggest possible savings. But that driver offers us to use some of dolly functions also without controller. We can simply connect one wire to a neutral and second via press button to align, so we can turning on or off the light with pressing, and with holding button we can dimming the light. Driver will store dim value, so when next time press the button, light will turn on with the same power as we turned off. Now let's check the difference between REFLECTA Pro with OptiWhite tempered glass and REFLECTA Pro OP with opal tempered glass. Here we can see how the optics work. It doesn't matter from which angle we look into light, we don't see direct into LEDs, so it won't flash our eyes and make us temporarily blind. REFLECTA Pro clearly shows us its angle of beam, which is 99 degrees in wide beam version. while the one with opal glass spread its light so we got more diffused light, but may give a bit less of light. Side covers got 3 holes for mounting. If we got high ceiling, we can mount it with steel wires and hooks, but I just used that galvanized holders, which screw on the ceiling and then screw the light on with 2 and 4 screws. Simply and safety compared to some clips we got with some cheap lights. I still got no electrical installation in this workshop. I will show that project in next video, so I will mount the light only temporary. Before I mount on, check how much light gave us 12 watt LED bulb. I don't know how accurate it is to measure with a phone, but I got just a bit over 200 lux. When I mount and turn on a single REFLECTA Pro in the middle of workshop, I get over 1000 lux on table surfaces, which is good for a workshop, but there are a lot of shadows around the workshop. I didn't tell you, but actually I got 3 of that lights, 1 Pro and 2 Pro with opal glass, so I mount another 2 lights on each side. And when I turn on all 3 lights, the difference is huge, all the shadows disappear and the working surfaces are lit enough, and if I measure I got almost 2500 lux on some places. In my old workshop I also got 2 REFLECTA lights, each of them with single 90 watt T5 fluo bulb. Oval series, I think, their second product. They work like charm for about 10 years, but they got T5 bulbs, so it need a few minutes to fully glow. After about 30 minutes, when lights fully glow, I got a bit more than 1100 lux. When I make electrical installation I surely use dolly function, so I add a button to set the power of light. More about this in the next video, but lights now can be set from 40 to 1600 lux, measured on the table. That's about it for today. You can see that the lights is made out of high quality materials, so it's not strange that they offer up to 10 years warranty. I didn't see something like that in any other light. As I say, I work as electrical maintenancer in an industry with very tough environment, where is a lot of heat and dust, so I can clearly confirm quality of that light. When this light is mounted, it just glows and you simply forget about it. So if you want more light and more saving, contact REFLECTA and they prepare your entire project from measurements, analyzing, preparing the project, to mounting and testing new lighting system, so savings can begin. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.